and with one click of your mouse, make the charts look like this. Let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at Dyno Trading. It is good to be with you. Today is Wednesday, September 13th, and we had another record roller coaster session in the market today for a shocking 500 ticks in profit, and of course finished trading by lunch. Okay, I feel like I've done my part, guys, to warn you that September and October were always going to be very, very profitable and, in my opinion, lucrative months to day trade the market if you know what you're doing and, of course, if you have a system that is logical. All right, now what you're seeing on my screen right now is today's live price action chart of the NASDAQ. Yes, you can trade the NASDAQ on any asset class. If you trade Forex, future, stocks, and options, the NASDAQ is very versatile, and I can pretty much guarantee you'll find this symbol inside your broker's dashboard. Okay, the NASDAQ is hands down my all-time favorite symbol to trade. I feel that this is a symbol and a market that gives us, as professional traders, a lot of opportunities to make a lot of money. Okay, and the simple explanation with respect to why that is, it's because, I mean, Jesus, man, the NASDAQ is on fire right now. Every time you turn around, this thing is either up hundreds and hundreds of ticks or it's plunging hundreds and hundreds of ticks or pips if you follow along in Forex. And of course, guys and gals, what you're seeing overlaid on top of the chart is our volume analysis tool. All right, this green and red color band is designed to tell you one thing and only one thing, and that is what direction is the market trending. All right, and in order for this indicator to color itself green or red, okay, it needs to be able to detect volume, and that's what this indicator is simply superb at doing. Okay, so as an example, whenever it detects a volume flush to the upside, it will turn the color band green like it did at this exact moment in time. And of course, on the flip side, whenever it detects a volume flush to the downside, aka the bears step in and take control of the market, you're going to see the volume color band turn red, just like it did over here. Makes sense? But of course, folks, you know that is not where we finish looking for trades and setups. Right? The secret sauce, guys and gals, to finding consistently profitable trades is to look for perfect retracement setups just like this. All right, man. I mean, it was too easy today. Like, I've never seen a really nice buy signal show up and then a perfect sell signal show up just 30 minutes later, right? Anyway, so you guys know how we play this, right? Well, maybe you don't, okay? So for those of you guys that might not be knowledgeable on how we play volume retracements, well, here's how you do it, okay? Definitely got to wait for one of these, okay? I'll try to draw a bunch of arrows on this particular bar right here, okay? What is the significance of this bar? Well, this is a bar that represents an area in the chart where the market has pulled back, right? It's pulled back, pulled back, pulled back from this original starting point of the trend, right? It's pulled back nice and deep, and it's given us a green reversal bar that prints against the green band, and this bar is underneath the band. That's what makes this a perfect setup. All right, and so what you may look to do is go long the market on the open of the next bar. That represents this top line here. Your stop loss would get placed 1 or 2 ticks underneath this bar's low, which is this second bottom line here. And folks, it's real simple, man. Try to look for 1-to-1, get to break even, lock in some profits at this exact moment in time, and then boom, just look for, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 5-to-1 if you feel like it. I mean, guys, tell me the truth. How simple is this technique that I just showed you? Right? Now let's also look at the short signal that showed up just 30 minutes after the long, okay? Once again, folks, you can see the volume indicator alerted you of a bearish trend change. The market established a nice quick downturn, proving that the move was in fact real, and then boom. Man, this is exactly what you're waiting for, guys. A nice, deep, gorgeous retracement culminating in one of these. All right, this bar right here, a red reversal bar that prints against a red band, and this bar is above the band. Okay, this is what I like to call stupid simple, folks. I mean, you could teach this system to a 6-year-old. All right, and so what you might want to do is think about going short this market on the open of the next bar, which represents this bottom line here. Okay, your stop loss gets placed 1 or 2 ticks or pips above the signal bar's high. That's represented by this top line here. And yep, you guessed it, you would simply look to go 1 to 1. Boom! Lock in profits here, take half off the table, you cannot lose, and then maybe 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, whatever you like, guys and gals. All right, I mean, this was 400 ticks straight down. Okay, and we got in all the way back here, and this was trade number 2. All right, don't forget about the original 300 ticks that we caught right here bright and early in the morning using nothing but this volume indicator color band. All right, guys, it was a spectacular trading session, man. I honestly hope and pray that we're going to get a lot of trading sessions like we did today. Congrats to all of my customers and clients who were brand new to this system. Could not have asked for a better time to get started with learning how to trade volume. And I cannot wait to see if this market's going to give us another 500 ticks tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.